function. We, State Bank of India, wish you all a happy Ugadi. In Telugu, I think if I'm correct, Ugadi Subhakamshan. Sorry, I don't know Telugu. As you all know, State Bank of India is in nation service for more than 200 years. Along with India, we have our presence in more than 120 countries. Nearby, we have a branch in Antwerp. We opened the branch in Antwerp for more than 33 years back. Mainly, we are serving to the Benelux region, that is Belgium, Netherlands, Luxembourg. In fact, a few years back, we have a plan to open a branch in Netherlands. Even we got a license also, but unfortunately, still that is not materialized. Hope it will come soon. But in Antwerp, even though we are there for more than 33 years, our presence was not felt to the public or to the expats community, mainly because we are into the wholesale banking business there in Antwerp. You know, Antwerp is famous for diamond business, and we are serving to the diamond community for more than 33 years. Of late, there was a demand from people, our expats community from all over European countries to bring out some products which we can, through that we can serve the nation. So, with your permission, I will give some insight about the products which we are having in SBI, which is mainly useful for the Indian expats. The basic thing is, you all know, having a small presence in our hometown. That is our wish and dream. Yes, SBI is there to support you for giving a housing loan. Full details you can have through our site. I will share the site details also. The next is the car loan facility. I was working in India for the last 20 years in State Bank of India, in various capacities in India. Especially, I was serving as manager for the NRE community. The main hurdle they were having is that even though they have capacity here to pay back the money, they can't avail a car loan in India in their name because of the legal issues. If you are taking a car loan in your name, you have to be there in India. If anything happens, then the claim, all those problems are there, legal issues. But with your eligibility, you can't avail a car loan in your relative's name. But right now we have come out with a new product wherein car can be availed in your relative's name back home. Based on your income criteria, based on your capacity, car loan can be available. Then the major product is a remittance. We all know that we want to send back our money, whatever the hard-earned money, to our homeland. And of course, the rate is the main hurdle. Then the second hurdle is the time. You want to know that when my money reaches there, how quick it reaches India. We have a lot of remittance products, All those details you can have from our site, and I have the stall outside, you can get it clarified. But right now, the immediate thing is that how we can send money from Netherlands to India. We have a product in Antwerp, we have decided this recently. Whichever bank you are having account, you can send the money to SBI Antwerp and send an email to us. Then that money will be sent to your account in SBI in any part of country within 24 hours. Within a day. The third one, SBI Express Middle East, that we have extended to even all the European countries. It's instant transfer. Instantaneous means it can be, say, the time zone we have to consider. Here, one plus point is that you can see the rate in our site. If the rate is okay, you click the deal, you will get the rate. So it's purely you can decide when you want to convert, and the conversion is happening here only. Unlike other banks, it is not happening on the other side. In other banks, they are sending the money, and you are reaching. The money is reaching your place after 1 or 2 days, or sometimes 3 days, and God only knows what will be the rate of exchange rate after 3 days. So those things can be covered, that goods can be covered. If you can see the rate on the side, you decide and you can sell. Of late we have come out, very recently we have come out with a new product called Family Card. The third one, Family Card. It's a very unique product. If you want to send money to any of your relatives, any friends or acquaintances, ask them to go and get a card from a nearby SBI branch by simply showing their address proof and identity proof. That is, we call it as a Know Your Customer KYC proof. Give a demand for a card, family card. It's just like a debit card. You ask for the card and get the number. They ask the relatives to pass the number to you. If you have an NRE account with any of the State Bank of India branches, you log into your online banking facility. There you link this card number to your online banking facility and transfer funds from your account to that card. It is a prepaid card, add-on card, preloading card. You can load any number of times money, maximum 50,000, and the validity of the card is 10 years. No additional charge for getting the card. You can